Good morning, YouTube. Austin here with Killshaw's Geek Garage, and today I'm going to be working on just taking off some of the bolts, trying to get ready to pull the engine out of the car so that whenever we do get the new engine here, we can just pull that one right on out, plop the new one in, and be good to go. So let's get to it. And I got my little boopa out here with the 1/4-inch ratchet going to help me out today. So exciting times, exciting times. Oh, looks like I got a little bit boop over here. Oh, he dropped the 1/4-inch. Well, he was trying to take off this little front bumper bracket for a second there. That's my boy. So took a break for a second because, man, this car is infested with spiders. So gonna go get some chemicals, gonna spray it down, trying to kill some of these spiders before getting more work done on it. So I'll be back. Alright, well that's going to do it for today. We ran into the issue with the one bolt being starting to round off, and I don't really want to push my luck to where that thing rounds off completely, where I can't get it off without using a bolt remover socket. So we'll hold off on pulling that bolt out. Other than that, spray down the car. Hopefully all the spiders will be done for, and we won't have to worry about that anymore. But other than that, that's as far as I'm going to get with this one today. It's pretty much loosened up and ready to rock and roll other than that one specific bolt. So once we get that out, get the hoist on it, then we can plop it on out and be ready for the new engine. So I'll see you next time. Like, subscribe, and please share so we can spread the word about this channel and this build. Thank you very much.